Hi guys, this is the Mighty Mighty Titan. We are on the walking trail and it's actually raining. And so Titan does not like when it rains. So we are trying to run back to the car. But of course Titan wants to play. Boy, let's go. Titan, let's go boy. You're on the wrong side. Go on. Run boy. Run boy. Guys, I don't know if you could hear the rain coming down. Titan does not like to get wet. So, so I guess everyone's gonna get wet. Come on, boy. Oh, that's some people down there in the river. Titan, let's go. It is actually just raining and raining and raining. As you guys can see, the water on the ground, and Titan have a little bit of water on his clothes. Go, boy. Come on. So I thought I would share that with you guys. Titan is getting wet on the walking trail. He does not like to get wet. I'm just gonna hurry. We're not far away from the car, so I'm just gonna hurry on, get him out the rain. So until next time, please like, comment, share, subscribe to the Mighty Mighty Titans channel. Bye.